Well, here's the start of the new door. Work in progress. We're still dealing with the rain. This hasn't stopped yet. It's been hours later. But we still got a little bit more to go. Don't want to get wet, so odd video, guys. All right. About there.
Yeah, we're gonna have to tweak the whole thing forward.
Yeah, and we have to.
All the way up there.
Yeah, but we're gonna have to take it, and we're gonna have to kick the door. And we have to turn it to lean like this. We got to kick it straight. So there's a bigger gap. If that means we have to shove a block of wood on that side or whatever.
Yeah, this needs to go.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah. All right. Well, we'll be back with some more. Well, it's up. We gave it a dry run without the spring. Now here comes the fun part: running the cables and wind this dog up and see how she operates. There we go. Fully installed. Besides the spring. We'll get back to that momentarily. Alright guys, cables are set. Spring's 2 years old. I'm sure it's going to be fine. We're going to wind this dog up. One last visual of the outside. It's not as raining as hard, so I can actually get an outside shot. There you go. There's the old wrinkle door where they're leaning against the dumpster. Alright, let's wind this up and I'll give you a visual here in a minute. Operation completed. I mean, the door is perfect, guys. Absolutely freaking perfect. It's a little warm, but she wants to go up a little bit, but that's okay. Over time, she'll break in. She's a good door. She'll do it. So, all right, you guys. That's how you do a full install of a replacement door. So, there you guys go. Full install. So, alright, I can't operate and do it with two hands, but there's the full install, guys. Have a good one. Over and out.